Heartiest thanks to Professor Dr. Mustafa Jaman Chowdhury sir for managing time busy schedule. You showed the research opportunities in 5G and beyond technologies very clearly. Is there any scope to use data science or machine learning in above mentioned area?
Yeah. You can use machine learning is very important issue in optical wireless communication. Many, if you find many researchers, they are using machine learning for optical wireless communication, because you know that you have to what is this even especially in noisy environment, you have to find the real transmitting light. So to separate the light and noise, you can use different method, and machine learning is very important tool in optical wireless communication.